Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a Coach unboxing. I purchased 2 bags from Coach last Sunday at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. I cannot remember. Randomly, I just woke up during the middle of the night and decided to check Coach.com, and somehow I find these 2 pieces. So these were already sold out on the website, and I was surprised to see they restocked. So I grabbed them immediately, and now I'm doing an unboxing to show you what I pick up. I'm so excited. The lighting is so bad. It's raining outside, but I have to open them right now. I have seen some horrible packaging on the Facebook group. There are a couple people showed the packaging was so bad. There's absolutely no protection. They literally just threw the bag in the box, and that's horrible. It really ruined the whole experience. So hopefully everything is good with my box, how they package it. It's shipped from the warehouse, I believe. It's coming from Florida, so it should be their main warehouse. And I ordered on the Coach website. Okay. So let's see. There is some protection. However, I do have to say it's not a factory packaging in my opinion. I've seen much nicer packaging from Coach. They will put protection wrap around the hardware, everything, and this is definitely not the best packaging. We will see how the bag looks. So the first bag I picked up is Coach Cassie 19 in black. I got the regular size Rambler, but it's too big for me, and I thought Coach Cassie 19 will be a better size for me. So as you can see, there's no like extra protection for the hardware, but so far I don't see anything wrong with the bag. I'm slightly disappointed because I feel like they could do better. The inside is stuffed. Do they supposed to come with a dust bag? I think so. I would think so, right? And this one didn't come with a dust bag. So I think slightly disappointed there. And I will probably take a closer look later, just to making sure there's nothing wrong or majorly wrong with the bag, everything. The bag is actually heavier than I expected, and it's probably the chain. Okay, so this is the first bag. No wrapping, but has stuffing inside. So the second bag is the one I'm mostly excited about. It's in color azure. It's a Willow Bucket Bag. And the reason why I want it so badly is because of the strap. As you can see, it's super unique. Again, this one does not have very nice packaging. That kind of sucks. When they ship out from the factory, I think they would have everything they need to package it nicely. And I swear, the other bags I got from Coach Outlet or Coach.com all comes with perfect packaging and stuffing. So like all the hardware, they will wrap with either tissue paper or some foam so the hardware will not scratch the leather. And these two bags didn't come with any of that. I kind of expect that in some way because they were sold out and they were only stock for 2 items, so they are probably returns. Like some people return it and they post it online for sale, but still, come on, like So the size looks perfect. I was worried it would be too big, but it looks like the perfect size. And the color is so gorgeous. Just love the color. But again, it's very hard to tell like right now because the lighting is so bad. So here's a snap closure. And the other side is the turn lock closure. It's kind of hard to tell because the lighting is so bad, but I don't personally see anything wrong with the bag. But I will definitely need to take a closer look. The other reason why I like this bag is because it's leather lined, so it's very easy to wipe. And this strap is everything. I got a Swinner 20 in the same collection. So I think this strap will actually go very well with the Coach Swinner. Thanks for watching the video. And I will see you next time. Bye.